Okay, Jim Padre, Timothy Bourdain, back again. Y'all don't even need to see my face today. This is the beach I told you guys that splits Copacabana to the left. Copacabana's to the left, that way. This beach splits it down the middle, popular for surfing. And then you head down, and it's Ipanema and Leblon, all the way to that rock you see. So let's get to walking. I'm gonna go down this time. We're gonna start at the bottom this time, since we started from the top last time. It only makes sense, right? Remember your test notes. We're at the post 7 right now. Probably gonna walk to 9 and then call it. But let's see what 2 posts look like. Today we're drinking Brahma. Saluja. And let's see what we got. You want to drink with your left hand? Can't do that. So this beach is definitely shorter. Copacabana is a long beach. You got mad space. This is closer to a PR style, where the beach is short up to the road, but we're gonna make it do what it do. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna take off this shirt almost immediately. Let's see what the surf is doing. Couldn't get up. Keep it moving. Yeah, I'm taking off this shirt. He's got a little bit of black sand in it, a little bit though. Just only a little bit. High risk right here. That means you at risk. We got a little música. Poquito de música. I'm gonna get in the deep stretching, deep tissue, so there won't be no issue. Yeah, it's not as built up as so it's not as built up as Copacabana, but that's also probably for a reason. If you want that beach, go over to that beach. If you just want the beach, come over here. Chill out, surfboard. Oh, that one was kind of big. Let me show you. All right, so for some context, today is Wednesday. It's about 3 p.m. So y'all saw Copacabana on Saturday and Sunday, which you gotta assume are gonna be busier days, right? This is midweek when you should be working, people. People should be working. It's not as much space over here for sports either, so you don't see as much volleyball and beach soccer, volleyball. But let's keep our eyes open. Maybe we'll catch it. Maybe further down. We didn't even get to number 8 yet. We only at 7. My calves ain't happy. Not at all. Not one bit. I got unhappy calves. Oh, we got some live music. We got some, hey. We got some live music. But I ain't gonna stick around. They gonna want a tip. And I ain't got no tip for you, player. Stay in school, kids. That's my tip. Don't drink and drive. Another tip. Drink responsibly. All right, that's 3 tips. That's enough. It's a little foggy out there. Without that, though, you can see those mountains. I could throw a football clear over those mountains. Coach would have put me in his states. We've been champions, man. This man selling cakes on the beach. I don't think nobody want no chocolate cake at a time like this. Although it sounds, ooh, she was, ooh-wee. Lord Jesus, help me to focus on the things that's important in life. Like that. Like that. I need to slow down. I'm walking too fast. Break. Starting to get a little more active over here. They got a couple of those little barrancas, yeah, like beach store shops, chair things. They got a few of them. Not a ton, but they're here for you over here in Ipanema if you want to check it out. Ooh, we're almost at 8. We might take a break at 8, shorty. Your boy is no. And I gotta hold this thing up in the air. So much harder. Man, it's just hard. I need a break. Finish this beer. We'll open the next one. Then I think we're on to some. See, y'all ain't know I got my shirt off right now. And boy, I tell you what, I almost think it'd be cute if I saw myself. I could understand. Your boy about to call it. I gotta get to the 8 though first. Dedication. Demasiado. Switch hands. Switch hands like left pitches. I seen one. Sniper snipe. I gotta go. I'll holler at y'all back in a little bit. Oh, whew. So looks like they got at least a couple of these little pull-up, post-up spots. But definitely not as much as Copacabana. Looks like it got cloudy on us. But honestly, they got cloudy just in time because Champions League football is about to start. 4 o'clock. It's about 3:40, 3:45. So we're gonna get this out the way while I go to the place where I know I can watch sports at. So, perfecto. Todo salió bien. Todo salió bien. It all came out good. Now this was the one open spot. See, I ain't go this far. I ain't make it that far. Baraka. So those are the joints where you can get the seats, umbrellas, food, drink, etc. etc. My man got the Burberry swim trunks on. He's stunned. Mine from Banana Republic. Ella me dice papi, papi, shit. Bruno Mars, he is so sonic, whatever it's called. He was both of them mixed. It smelled right there. That was a stinky little area. I don't like it. You can see my face right now. It's scrunched in disgust. It must have passed some sewage. My man buying little world snow globes and stuff like an 8-year-old. Papi. Ah, shit. See who's tall enough. Esa es la playa. La playita. Ipanema. Eso es. La playa, la playa. Pa' correr tu alma. Tomando medalla. Oh, yeah. Y'all remember that song? That was a hit. Estamos aquí. It's busy over on this side. You gotta get closer to the post 9, I guess. She kinda cute. She ain't all of that, but she cool. La madre. You see, they be looking at a young king. Because it's not every day you get to see gods and kings like this. And when you see one, you notice it. Sometimes your natural spirit make you double take when you just wanted the single take. But it be like that. Yeah, wait. I think this is the place. But I'm gonna keep walking 2 more blocks or so for y'all. Then this is Belmont. There's a lot of Bottega Belmonts. in like every neighborhood, but this Ipanema one, I think that's where I'm gonna go. I'm pretty sure that's it. So we're gonna wait and see. We're gonna finish. We're going from post 8 to 9, and then we're gonna move forward and make life decisions. So I did not eat yet today. Should probably eat by 4 p.m. right? That's probably a normal person's thing to do. But when you Jimothy Bourdain, some things don't go the same. Rapper. Hula hula sesenteros. Alright, I see the post. This is the rumor smoking section. I don't see no steam in the air. Yams though. That's accurate. You guess accurately. The rapper eater. Oh wow, she looks like she's serious. Her shirt even say Brazil. She might be on the team. Let's give her a shot. Definitely amateurs on the other side. Ooh, she got skills. She need a teammate though. You know, she got that. You know what I'm saying? Then she keeps Sosa, baby. Yeah, on dope boy shit. It's a little active over here, closer to 9. I gotta give it that. Definitely more active on the 9s. All these damn pot smokers. These damn weed heads can't control their urges. All gathering around like-minded smokers and dopers. They're the worst kind of people. And make you think everything's friendly. But really, they just want to smoke your dope. That's all. Criminals. Lock them up. Lock them up if you ask me. Throw away the key. For sure. I'm pretty sure that was Sir Gregor the Mountain, but I'm not gonna turn around to confirm because I seen what he is capable of. And you know what?